short, small video. It's going to be on how to reset a 722.6 transmission for any Mercedes with the 722.6 E-Class, S-Class. Oh, this is an S-Class. That's an E-Class. It's all the same. Transmission 722.6. The process is very simple and easy. Why you want to do reset? Sometimes transmission just takes a long time to shift. Before you want to go waste any money, try this simple and quick way. Maybe it fixes. So what do you want to do? I've already done it on mine. I'll walk through with it. I'll walk you guys through it. Put the key in the ignition, on position. Press the gas pedal all the way down till you hear the click, all the way down for 15 seconds. I'm gonna count with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Leave it on the gas pedal. Turn off the ignition to off position. Don't pull out the key. Now we can release from the gas pedal and wait for 1 minute. Don't turn on any accessories. Wait for 1 minute and then pull the key out and then start the car and drive it and have fun. Thank you guys for watching.